Have you ever wondered how students in the UK apply to 5 universities using just one single form? Now that's UCAS. And if you are a Pakistani A-level student planning to study in the UK, UCAS is your gateway, the official route to every undergraduate degree in the country. In this video, I'll help you understand UCAS completely. What it is, how it works, what mistakes to avoid, and how to use it strategically to maximize your chances of getting offers.
Are you ready to explore opportunities that await you overseas? We provide guidance on selecting the right program, university, and location, tailored for your professional goals and career. To achieve your overseas goals and aspirations, go global with Shalee Global.
I'm Hassan Sharik, founder of Shalee Global. I studied at Macquarie University in Sydney, worked in admissions at York University in Canada and Deakin University in Australia. And now my team helps students from Pakistan apply confidently to universities all around the world. Let's start simple. UCAS stands for the Universities and Colleges Admission Service. It's a centralized online system used by all UK universities for undergraduate applications. So instead of filling out separate forms for each university, sending transcripts, personal statements, and test results to everyone individually, you just make one single UCAS profile, fill it once, and choose up to 5 universities or courses. UCAS then sends that information to all 5 universities at once. It's efficient, organized, and fair because all students, whether local or international, apply through the same system. For Pakistani students, this means less paperwork, no risk of missing university-specific requirements, and a clear, trackable progress. Let's go through the UCAS process step by step. Once you create your UCAS account, there are 7 key sections you'll need to complete. And these are personal details, which includes your name, contact info, nationality, and visa status. Number 2, your course choices, which are up to 5 programs. Number 3 is education history, your O-levels, AS, A2 subjects, predicted or achieved grades. Number 4 is employment, if you've done internships or any part-time work. Then comes personal statement, your story and motivation for the subject you're applying for. Then the reference, an academic recommendation from a teacher or a counselor is required. You'll have to pay the UCAS fee of about £29, and that's when you hit submit. Once your application is submitted, UCAS sends it to your 5 chosen universities simultaneously. And here's the catch. You cannot send different versions of your application to each of these 5 universities. That means your personal statement and reference go to all of them, so they have to be very carefully drafted. This part is where most students go wrong. Your 5 UCAS choices are not 5 random universities. They should be strategic, a mix of ambition and practicality. Here's what I recommend. First up, you should have a reach university, a top tier 1 university where entry requirements are slightly above your predicted grades, but where you really want to get in. Then comes realistic universities, about 3, where your grades match the entry criteria. And then there should be 1 safe option, slightly low requirements, ensuring you secure at least 1 offer. For example, if your predicted grades are BBB, your reach university could be University of Leeds, usually asking for 2 A's and a B. Your realistic universities could be University of Kent or Nottingham Trent, and a safe option could be London South Bank University, as they'll be asking for BCC. Now this balance gives you both options and security. Also remember, you can apply for different courses as long as they are related. For example, business management, marketing, international business, that's fine. But don't mix completely unrelated subjects like law in one place, computer science in another place, and fashion design. It makes your personal statement seem confusing. It's not focused. Your personal statement is the heart of your UCAS application. It's your chance to convince universities that you're ready for this particular subject, not just academically, but personally. It is around 4,000 characters or roughly 500 to 600 words. Now, here's the challenge. You can't write 5 different statements. 1 statement goes to all 5 universities. So it must be general enough to fit all, but focused enough to show passion for your chosen career or field. Structure it like this. Opening, why you're passionate about the subject. Middle, what you've done, coursework, projects, reading, competition, or internships related to that particular major that you're applying to. And conclusion, how this degree connects to your future goals, personal and professional. As an example, I became interested in computer science after building a simple mobile app for my school project. I realized how technology can solve real-world problems. That curiosity grew as I explored Python and Java through online courses. See the difference? It's personal, reflective, and relevant. And here's a pro tip. Avoid cliches. Don't start with, since childhood I wanted to get admission in this program. Admission officers have seen that line thousands of times. Start with your experience, not a statement. Alongside your personal statement, UCAS requires one academic referee, usually from a teacher, principal, or counselor who knows you well. Their recommendation should confirm your academic ability, your attitude, and predicted grades. Predicted grades matter a lot because most Pakistani students apply before completing their A2 exams. Universities use those predicted grades to make conditional offers. They say that we'll accept you as long as you achieve these grades. So talk to your teachers early, make sure your predicted grades are realistic and reflect your actual performance. Let's come to deadlines. This is where things often go wrong. If you're applying to top universities like Oxford, Cambridge, or you're applying to medicine, dentistry, or veterinary programs, the UCAS deadlines are usually mid-October. For all other courses, the main deadline is January 31st, end of January. Yes, UCAS accepts late applications up until June, but by then most popular programs are already full. So apply early, ideally by December of your A2 year. Once you submit, you'll be able to track everything through UCAS Track, which updates you about your status, whether universities have received your application, made a decision, or given you an offer. Later, you'll confirm your choices. Firm choice, the one you really want to attend. Insurance choice, your backup in case you don't meet the grades for your firm offer. Over the years, I've seen students make the same mistakes again and again. Let's make sure you don't make these mistakes. Mistake number 1, waiting too long and missing the January deadline. Tip is, start your UCAS profile by September and finalize your choices by December. Mistake number 2, writing a generic personal statement with no passion or direction. Tip, write about specific experiences that show your genuine interest in the subject. Mistake number 3, ignoring English test requirements until the last minute. Tip for that is, take IELTS or PT early so your results are ready before applying. Mistake number 4, applying randomly to 5 universities with no strategy. Important thing is, balance reach, realistic, and safe choices. And remember, UCAS isn't just a form, it's your first impression. The quality of your application often reflects the kind of student you'll be. Admission officers are looking at that. So that's UCAS explained step by step. One system, 5 choices, one strong personal statement, and clear deadlines. Once you understand it, applying to UK universities becomes simple and stress-free. At Shalee Global, that's exactly what we help students do. From shortlisting universities to writing personal statements and managing UCAS submissions with precision. If you're planning to study in the UK and need help with admission counseling, drop us an email and book a one-on-one consult with me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Your UK journey could begin right here. I'll see you in the next video.